New video, and in this video we will start making sign up screen flow in Jetpack Compose. So this is the end result which we will say in the end of this small series. So here we have first name and last name. When user tap on next, then we show the validation message to the user, and after inputting this information, so tap on next, and will land on this email container, and here user need to provide the email address, and after the email address user will provide verification code. So test code is 1234, and then tap on next, and land on this password container where user need to provide new password and re-enter the password as well. So and there are some strength indication here. So when user will start typing, let's say test, with this on value change, these validation checks will be highlighted based on the strength of the password. And then tap on next, and here provide the address information, country, city and address, and tap on next, and at the end show this successful message to the user. So this is the sign up flow which we will create in Jetpack Compose. So let's start with from here, and you can get the initial code from the video description below. So this is the first name and last name container. So to create it in our project, here we will create a screen, create a package named as SignUp, and in this we will create another package, components, and in this create a file, full name container, which is a composable. So type COMP and press tab. Full name container, and in this we show these two text fields. So we use a column composable here. Text field value by default, entry on value change, and fill expression, and for the placeholder, for this placeholder we have the placeholder property here, and in this we will provide first name. Press Alt Enter to import, and also provide the full width. So modifier width, fill max width. Okay, and after this text field we provide this spacing here. So to provide spacing we use spacer. Modifier height 6 dp. Press Alt Enter import, and we copy this first text field and paste below here, and update the placeholder to last name. Okay, and now we will see the preview in our Android Studio. So for that we will write here prev, press tab, and name it as full name container preview, sign up theme surface, and in here we will use this full name container. Full name FULL, full name container, and now go to the split view and tap on build and refresh. Okay, so this is the full name container which with two text fields. So in the initial approach we first can make these containers separately, then merge these in such a way to make a reusable component flow. So in the next phase we create this email container. So for that, create another file here, email container, comp tab and email container. And in this we again need two text fields, so we will copy these two text fields from this component, paste it in here, and update this placeholder to email and verification code, and see the preview of this one. So for that, we will type here prev, press tab, and name this function as email container preview. Theme, SignUpForm theme, which is the default theme of this for this project, and in this we use surface composable, and within that we use this email container composable. Now split the view and see the preview of this one. Tap on build and refresh. Okay, so this is the email container here, which where we have two fields, email text field and the verification code text field. So this is it for today's video. I hope this would be meaningful information for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.